start new topics. Operations on matrices. Operations on matrices means which type of operation: addition, subtraction, scalar multiplication, and multiplication of matrices. And additive, identity, properties also we have to see. So here, before starting exercise 3.2, I want to explain you clearly. Operation addition. First we said that addition of matrices. So here you have given two matrices of order 2 cross 3, 2 cross 3. Order must be same. Then you can do addition of two matrices. And I have already discussed in part 1 that if you do any operation, answer is also, output is also in matrix form. Okay? Not one particular real number. In next chapter, determinant, you get addition of two determinants, or you may do multiplication, then output may be real number. But here, matrix form you got. A plus B means you have to add corresponding elements. A11 plus B11, A12 plus B12, A13 plus B. So you have to add corresponding elements of both matrices. See, A21 plus B21, A22 plus B22, A23 plus B22. And order is also same, 2 cross 3 order you get. Okay? So this way I take one example, but it comes in exercise 3.2. Just we shall do after that, so you can understand very well. So here I will not take example. Practical example we shall do in exercise 3.2. This way you have to do addition of two matrices. Okay? Then subtraction. So here I explain subtraction also. Subtraction of matrices. Here also you have given two matrices of whatever order, but order must be same of both matrices. And here I replace this plus and by minus. Then what you have to do here? Instead of addition, you have to put negative sign. You have to do subtraction of corresponding elements. Clear? This way output is also order 2 cross 3 and matrix form A minus B. Then scalar matrix. What do you mean by scalar matrix? How to perform scalar matrix? Suppose some real number, say K belongs to R, and you want to multiply this scalar with matrix, and matrix is given like this. This matrix is given of order 2 cross 3. Then how to do K multiplied by this matrix Ka? So in that case, what you have to write? Small k. Write that A11 elements, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33 of order. I have here write 3 cross 3 order. So any order you may write. Okay, I take 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay? No problem, any order. Then the rule says that you have to multiply K with all elements. Then result is what? K A11, K A12, K A13. So K is everywhere. See. And A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A32. Clear? So this way you have to multiply by scalar. But in determinant chapter there is another rule. Okay? In particular row you multiply with scalar number. And here you have to multiply by all elements of matrix. Clear? This way you have to multiply scalar with matrix. So here we have seen addition, subtraction, okay, and scalar multiplication. Now another rule is multiplication. Operation is multiplication of matrices. This is where very important operation, multiplication. So it is not easy way. Okay, so many students do some mistake in doing multiplication now. Matrices. For that I take one example, easy example. Suppose I write 2, 4, 3 minus 1, 1, 0 A matrix. Order of 2 cross 3. I explain this by taking some examples so that you can understand very well. And B is equal to, see all of you, here order is 2 cross 3, so here B matrix has order 3 cross, whatever you write, 3 cross 1 or 3, but this number of rows of first matrix must be equal to number of columns of first matrix, columns must be equal to number of rows of second matrix. If these two are equal, then multiplication of matrix is possible. Otherwise, no. Order not same, but this order may be same not, but you have to check number of columns of first matrix is same as number of rows of second matrix. If this happens, then output matrix has which order? 2 cross 1 order. 2 cross 1. So you may think that the product of two matrices is of order 2 rows and 1 column. So here 3 cross 1 matrix I write like this, say minus 5, 1, 7. 3 cross 1, 1 column and 3 rows. Okay. So now I explain you how to do multiplication of two matrices. AB is equal to. So what is the rule? First you check this way. After that you have to do multiplication of corresponding elements. A first row multiplied by first column. So 2 into 2 5 are 10 minus 10. And on new matrix we obtain like this 2 cross 1 matrix. So 2 5 are 10 minus 10 plus 4 1 are 4 plus 3 7 are 21. So you have to add addition of multiplication of corresponding elements A11 B11 product plus A12 B21 plus A13 B31 and do addition and you put here. Okay, now second row with first column. So minus plus 1 into 5 5. 1 1 ja 1. 0 7 ja 0. So these 2 rows and 1 column. 2 cross 1 matrix, output matrix. And if you simplify this, then 21 plus 4 25. 25 minus 10 15. 5 plus 1 6. So this is the answer of multiplication of two matrices. So this is different thing. A plus B, A minus B, they have same order. Output matrix has also same order. But in multiplication matrix, same order, then no problem. But if orders are different, then you have to check like this. That this number must be same. Okay, then it is possible. Otherwise, you have to write that not possible. Multiplication of two matrices is not possible. And we shall do many examples in exercise 3.2. Okay, again I explain output is 2 cross 1, that means 2 rows, 1 column you obtain. You have to multiply first row with first column and do addition after that. After doing multiplication, you have to put plus sign. So here see 2 5 are 10, but plus minus, so minus 10. 4 1 are 4, so plus 4. 3 7 are 21. So this way I have completed. If there is second column, then you have to write first row with second column multiply, and same way you have to write here. That we shall do in exercise. Okay. Here I take one simple example. Second row with first column. So minus plus. 1 5 is 5 plus 1 1 is 1 plus 0 into 7 is 0. So this way we have to do multiplication. property we shall see later on. Exercise 3.2. Example. I say how many examples you can do on this basis. You can do example 1, 2, 3, 4 also. See, 4, 5, 6 also. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. And 11, 12. So many examples. Very easy exercise. Exercise 3.2. Now I start. Example 1. A is equal to, you have given 2, 4, 3, 2. B is equal to 1, 3 minus 2, 5. C is equal to minus 2, 5, 3, 4. Find each of the following. There are 5 sums. Number 1, A plus B, you have given 2 matrices and you have to do which operation? Addition operation, and find A plus B matrix. So for that you check here 2 cross 1, 2 cross 1, so it is possible to find A plus B. So here A plus B you have to find, so you have put question mark, write again A plus B. Substitute the value of A and B. And I just explained in theory that you have to add corresponding elements, means 2 plus 1, 3, 4 plus 3, 7, 3 minus 2, 3 plus minus 2. So 3 plus minus 2, then it is plus minus minus. So some student may think that it is we doing subtraction. Here is addition here, but you do actually addition, but plus minus become minus. So 3 minus 2, 1. 2 plus 5, 7. This is the answer. Here, this is the answer. Second number. A minus B. You have now do which operation? Subtraction operation. So again you substitute the value of A, but here you put minus sign B, and that is equal to, here is minus sign, so do subtraction. 2 minus 1, 4 minus 3. In minus, if there is minus operation, then you write like this. 3 minus minus 2, you write like this. Don't do directly, otherwise you do some mistake. 2 minus 5. And that is equal to 1, 1, minus minus plus. 3 plus 2, 5. 2 minus 5 is minus 3. This is the second answer. 1, 1, 5 minus 3. Clear? So this way I have done second example. Now third is 3A minus C. See, this is scalar product 3 with A. So 3 A matrix 2, 4, 3, 2. Minus C matrix minus 2, 5, 3, 4. Both matrices order same. Now these 3. So scalar with matrix, so you have to multiply every number by 3. No, I have explained K multiply to every element of matrix. So 3 2 ja 6, 3 4 ja 12. Keep some gap, okay? 3 3 ja 9, 3 2 ja 6, minus 2 5 3 4. So first I simplify 3 times matrix A. Now again subtraction of these two matrices. So 6 minus 2 you write like this, okay? 12 minus 5. 9 minus 3, 6 minus 4, and that is equal to 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 direct, this step you write directly because minus minus plus 6 plus 2 is 8. 12 minus 5, 7. 9 minus 3, 6. 6 minus 4, 2. This is the output. This is the answer of this matrix, PA minus C. Okay? And the number of this example, sub-example is 3. Okay, so 3 number, PA minus C. Now 4 number and 5 number, they are based on which operation? Multiplication operation. So in multiplication operation you have to see first order, number of columns of first matrix and number of rows of second matrix same or not. Then you can find product of two matrices. Now see here, order is 2 cross 2. Here is 2 cross 2. Same order, then it must be same. And output matrix is of order 2 cross 2. So yes, product is possible. Substitute the value of A and B. B 1, 3 minus 2, 5. And product is again a matrix, not some real number, or you may say product of these two matrices say minus 25 or 20, not real number. It is again a matrix form and of what which order? 2 cross 2 order. So how to do? I explain you know. Order is 2 cross 2. First row multiply by first column. Then first row second column. Second row with first column. Second row with second column. Now see here. 2 1 ja. I take this one row with one column. 2 1 ja 2. Okay. 4 plus minus minus. 4 2 ja 8 minus 8. 2 minus 8. Do addition. But plus minus minus. So I have put here minus. Or I also represent like this. 2 1 ja 2 plus 4 2 ja minus 8 plus minus minus. So this way I have completed this. Again first row with second column you have to write here. See, first row with first column you have to write here. First row with second column here. 2 3 ja 6 plus 4 5 ja 20. So I completed the work of first row. Now I take second row. Second row with first column. Second row with second column. So second row 3 1 ja 3. 2 plus minus minus. 2 2 ja 4 minus. Then second row with second column. 3 3 ja 9. 2 5 ja 10. So 2 minus plus minus minus 2 minus 8 minus 6. 20 plus 6 26. 3 minus 4 minus 1. 9 plus 10 19. So this way I will find product of the matrix is of order again 2 cross 2. So if both have same order, then it is possible. But the orders are different, then you have to check these two. Other may be different, no problem. Okay. Now in next sub-example, fifth sub-example, you have to find BA. BA means orders are now changed. B matrix from first and A matrix from second. So product. So AB and BA here not commutative law value. Both has not same answer. You will see if I change this. See, BA 1 3 minus 2 5 and A 2 4 3 2. Again applying same rule. First row first column 1 2 ja 2. 3 3 ja 9. 1 4 ja 4, 3 2 ja 6, minus 2 2 ja minus 4, plus 15. minus 2 into 4 minus 8 plus 5 to the 10. Clear? So now you simplify 11, 10, 15 minus 4 is 11, 10 minus 8 is 2. So see, answer of that answer and this answer is different or not? Product of AB I have obtained. I think it is different. No, in that 11 not come. That I remember. So AB and BA may not be equal, but they not ask. They have only asked you that find the product of BA and AB. So AB I have find BA also. This is the answer. So this way I have completed example 1 of exercise 3.2 with sub examples. Now example 2. In example 2 they have said that compute the following. Compute the following. Means the two matrices is given and you have to perform addition of two matrices. Okay. So number 1, AB minus BA plus ABBA. That is equal to. So in addition operation both matrices have same order. So you add these to A plus A. Direct you may put 2A. A plus A, don't put A square. Okay. A into A then A square. Other A plus A 2A. B plus B 2B. C B plus B 2B. Minus B plus B 0. A plus A 2A. This is the answer. And some students may write like this. They take out 2 common because 2 is everywhere. Here is also 2 into 0. 2 take out, it is scalar number. So A, B, 0, A. So this way you may write. Okay, both answer is correct. Second number. A square plus B square. B square plus C square. A square plus C square. A square plus B square. And second is that is plus 2AB 2BC minus 2AC minus 2AB addition. Same way you have to write here A square plus B square plus 2AB, and you know that formula, no? A square plus 2AB plus B square is what? A plus B whole square. So you may directly write, you see this is middle term, first and last term. So some students write directly also. But if you don't write directly, then you put like this 2AB and then after that this. Okay, so put better to put 2AB last, you put it as middle term. B square plus 2BC plus C square. A square minus 2AC plus C square. A square minus 2AB plus B square. And that is equal to, again you simplify, A plus B whole square. No, square root of B square is B, square root of C square is C, and B plus C whole square. A minus C whole square. A minus B whole square. This is the final answer. Now you cannot do further simplification. So this is the answer of second one. Third and fourth is also easy. Third I give up to you 3 cross 3 matrices and you have to do addition. Okay. And fourth I now do. Fourth one. Third is also easy, right? No, first one and second. It is very easy. Fourth one. Fourth one, the elements are written as function. Sin square x, cos square x, sin square x. cos square x. This is also easy, but there is some formula you have to apply here. So I have taken this cos square x, sin square x. Both matrices are of order 2 cross 2 matrix. So here what you have to write? Same way, cos square x plus sin square x. This is identity, no? Its value is there. Sin square x plus cos square x. Sin square x plus cos square x. Cos square x plus sin square x. So here all elements has value 1, 1, 1, 1. Here answer is 1. Some students may do like this. They don't utilize, no? That this is no identity in trigonometry. We have learned, no? Cos square x plus sin square x, cos square theta plus sin square theta. So better to put value of this expression. Okay, so final answer is this. And third is very easy. 3 cross 3 matrix is corresponding element. You have to do addition. Okay, and I will leave up to third. Example now 3. Compute the indicated products. Products is that example 3 is based on products, and there are given 2 matrices and you have to do products. First number, I give the name of 2 matrices. A is equal to, they have not given name, but I want to give name so that I can explain you very well. A, B matrix, I give name A minus B, BA. So in multiplication, here matrix is of order 2 cross 2, here 2 cross 2. So first step I have already told you, no? Number of columns of first matrix must be equal to number of rows of second matrix. If both are same, then possible, otherwise not. And output matrix has order what? 2 cross 2 order. So here I write product of 2 matrices AB is equal to, substitute the value of A and B here. So this step is very important to check. Okay. Write element and again you check you have written correctly or not. After that, what I have taught you, first row with first column, do multiplication of corresponding elements and then you have to do addition. So A into A square, B, here is B into B, these to do addition. After doing multiplication, you have to add that 2 elements. So first row, first column complete. Now first row with second column. So A plus minus. But first you put the sign plus minus minus. AB plus AB. BA means AB product. Minus second row with first column minus AB plus AB. Second row, second column, minus minus. First you put the sign like this, minus minus plus B into B square plus A square. Again you see that you can simplify, no, these two are opposite numbers. So you may cancel. So answer is what? A square plus B square, 0. B square plus A square, or you may write A square plus B square, then no problem. B square plus A square is nothing but A square plus B square. And some student again, they take out A square plus B square common, because here 0 into A square plus B square, you may write like this, 0 into, take out A square plus B square common. This is also answer. And if you simplify further, then you may write here 1 0 0 1 identity matrix. Later on you see 1 0 0 identity. In part 1 I have already explained you identity matrix. So this way you may write this is I. Then further you simplify a square plus b square into I. I means identity matrix. Clear? This is one. This answer is also correct. This also correct. Or not? Possible. Second one. Second one, 3 cross 3 is very important. No screen calculation is very high. Starting I write AB. And both as 3 cross 3 orders, so it is very easy to know first step is number of column and number of rows same or not. And elements are like this: -1, 4, -6, 8. Example 3, second one. Okay. By mistake I have written third sum of example 2. So second sum of example 3 is what? Here I love that sum, and now I write second one. 1 2 3 2 3 4. And here I give this matrix as A and this matrix as B, and you have to compute, means compute indicated products, means you have to do product of these two matrices. So here order is what? Number of rows 3 cross 1. Here number of row 1, 3 column, 1 cross 3. And you check, I have already said in product you have to check this. Number of rows of first matrix must be equal to number of column of number of columns of first matrix must be equal to number of rows of second matrix. Here, yes, it is true or not? So now it is possible to do product. So first, an output matrix is of which order? 3 cross 3. 3 cross 3 means 3 rows, 3 columns. Output matrix. So first row multiplied to first column. So 1 2 ja 2, 1 3 ja 3, 1 4 ja 4. So first row with first column, first row with second column, first row with third column. Clear? Now second row. Second row with first column 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12. This way I have completed product of two matrices, and this is also order of 3 cross 3 matrix. Here, so product of these two matrices is again a matrix form. Now we shall now do third one. Third one, now it is of order C, 2 cross 2, 1 matrix A and B. I write directly AB. A matrix 1, -2, 2, 3 into second matrix 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1. Please check the order. Here 2 cross 2 order. Here 2 rows, 3 column, 2 cross 3, and this number is same. Here, so output matrix means the product of these two matrices has order what? 2 cross 3 matrix, 2 rows, 3 columns. So output matrix has 2 rows and 3 columns. So first how to perform? See, first row, first column, 1 1 ja 1. And first row as second element -2 2 means minus 2 into 2 plus minus 4. So first row, first column. Now first row, second column. 1 2 2. Plus minus minus 2 3 6 plus minus 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 6. Again first row with third column. 1 3 3 plus minus 2. So 2 cross 3, 2 rows and 3 columns. So see 3 columns I obtained like this. Now second row with first column. 2 1 2, 2 3 3 2 6. You have to write here. Now second row, second column. 2 2 4, 3 3 9. You have to add that elements. Okay, sum of the product of the corresponding elements. Now second row, third column. 2 3 6 and 3 1 3. That is equal to 1 minus 4. Directly you write 1 minus 4 minus plus minus minus 2 minus 6 minus 4. 3 minus 2 1. 2 plus 6 8. 4 plus 9 13. 6 plus 3 9. So this way I have obtained 2 cross 3 matrix. And I have done product of 2 matrices. So again I explain first row, first column. Here you have to write first row, second column here. First row, third column here. Second row, first column. Second row, second column. Second row, third column. Like this. And then you have to see it. Clear? Fourth. 1 minus 3 5 0 2 4 3 0 5. Fourth matrix has same order 3 cross 3. So look, number of columns of first matrix and number of rows of second matrix same. And output matrix is again 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay. So you have to do lots of practice for this product of 2 matrices, because if you do some mistake then you will lose the mark. See, first row, first column. So 2 with 1, 3 with 0 and 4 with 3. Don't do like this, okay? So 2 1 are 2 plus 3 0 are 0 plus 3 3 are 9. Okay? See, 2 1 are 2, 3 0 are 0, 4 3 are, okay, no. 3 and 4 are not, 4 3 are 12. Sorry. Then first row, second column, 2 3 are 6 plus minus minus. 3 2 are 6, 4 0 are 0. Again first row, third column, 10, 12, 20. Second row, first column, 3 1 are 3, 4 0 are 0, 4 3 are 12. Second row, second column, plus minus minus. 4 2 are 8, 5 0 are 0. Again second row, third column, 3 5 are 15, plus 16 and plus 25. Okay. Now third row, first column, third row, second column, third row, third column. So 4 into 1, 4, 1 are 4, 5 0 are 0, 5 3 are 15, 5 4 3 are 12, plus minus minus, 5 2 are 10, 6 0 are 0, 4 5 are 20, 5 4 are 20, 6 5 are 30. And that is equal to 12 plus 2 14, 0, minus 6 plus 6 0. And here I obtain first row with third. Yes, 2 5 are 10, 3 4 are 12. This is 20. Okay. I verify this is written correctly or not. So 20, 30, 40, 42. Okay. 12 plus 3, 15. Minus 1. This is 25. No. Second row. Yes. Third column 25. So do addition. 25 plus 5, 30 plus 10, 40, 50, 56. 15 plus 4, 19. Minus 2. 40 plus 30, 70. So this way I have to product of two matrices. Again you see, again you check whether you have written correctly or not. 14, 0, 20, 30, 40, 42, 15, minus 1, 25 plus 5, 30 plus 10, 40, 40 plus 16. This is 15, 25, 56. Right? 15 plus 4, 19, minus 2, 7. I check this second row with third column. 3 5 are 15, 4 5 4 are 16, 5 5 are 20. Okay, it is correct. Okay. 19. Again you see 2 1s are 2. In this type of product you see again 2 1s are 2, 3 zeros are 0, 4 3s are 12, right? 3, second row, first column 3, 0, 15, 5 3s are 15, and again you see 4, 0, 15, so 15 plus 3 is 18. Here, so this way you have to check again. Second row, second column, right or not? See your column. Yes, 15, 16. Third row. Right? Minus 12 plus 10, 0. Right? So this way again you have to check, okay, in examination. So this way I have written. This is the answer. Clear or not? Again you have to check. Huh? Any problem? No? Yes or no? So now I do fifth one. It is of 3 cross 2 and 2 cross 3, so it is possible. Okay, so here you write 2 1, 3 2, minus 1 1. B matrix 1 0 1, minus 1 2 1. 3 cross 2, 2 cross 3. Clear? So possible or not possible? 3 cross 2 and 2 cross 2 possible. Now you see you have to do calculation very properly. First row, first column. Here 2 elements, here 2 elements. Same or not? So 2 1s are 2, plus minus, but you write plus, and multiplication is minus. So write this way. Don't write directly because some mistake may be occur. First row is second column. 2 into 0, 0. 1 2 are 2. So first row, second column. First row, third column. 2 1 are 2. 1 1 are 1. and we get 3 cross 3 order matrix. Output matrix is 3 cross 3. So we require some more sticks. Okay? Second row, first column, 3 1 ja 3 plus 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Second row, 3 into 0 0. 2 2 ja 4. 3 1 ja 3. 2 1 ja 2. Okay? Third row and first column, minus 1 1. Product is minus 1. 1 plus minus 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 1. Third row, second column, minus 1 into 0 0. 1 2 ja 2. Minus 1 with 1 is minus 1 plus 1 1 ja 1. And that is equal to 2 plus minus 1, 2 minus 1 1. 0 plus 2 2. 2 plus 1 3. 3 minus 2 1. 4 5. Minus 1 minus 1 plus minus minus, so minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. See again, 2 minus 1 0 4. Second row is second column. Yes, I have written 4 0 4. 3 plus 2, right? Minus 1. Minus 1, 0, 2, minus 1, 1. So this way you have to check again, okay? If you have done little mistake then your whole example become wrong. So be careful, yes, correct now. This is the final. The last one of this example called last sum of 6 numbers. More practice, okay, for multiplication because practice makes you perfect. I give the name of this matrix as A and this matrix as B and I write it AG is equal to, now order is to check two rows, so 2 cross 3 and here 3 cross 2 and the number of rows and here number of columns same, so that you multiply first row with first column. Here is 3, here is, so you may do product easy. Okay, so now I apply the rule and the resultant matrix has order 2 cross 2. So you not need to draw big matrix. Only 2 rows and 2 columns. 3 2 ja 6 plus minus minus, so minus 1 plus 9. Okay. Now first row, second column, 3 3 ja 9 but minus 9. 0 usually number is 0. 3 1 ja 2. Minus 2 0 6. Minus minus plus 3 1 ja 3 0. 2 1 ja 2. So the resultant matrix is 2 cross 2. Okay, plus minus minus 6 plus 9 15 minus 1 14. Minus 9 plus 3 minus 6. 6 minus 2 4 and 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, see you. First row, first column, first row, second column. Second row, first column, second row, second column. And check this. Okay. So this way I have completed example 3. And now the next time we shall do example